welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen, and if you like luxury, then just keep watching because I do too. So today, I do not bring you a luxury haul, but I bring you 3 C's. What is that? 3 C's. 1, stay classy. 2, communicate. 3, stay calm. One more time. 1, stay classy. 2, communicate. 3, stay calm. Today I bring you those 3 C's because of a recent conversation that I had with the Chanel boutiques in Las Vegas. I recently uploaded my video of a unboxing, and when I unboxed my Chanel purse, I found out that I didn't receive the holiday camellia. And of course I want a holiday camellia. That's what brings me to the 3 C's. 1, stay calm. Don't get upset. Don't raise your voice. Stay calm. Number 2, communicate. Explain plainly and clearly your explanation or your statement in regards to whatever concern that you have. And 3, stay classy. Just keep staying classy, because even though if things do not work out, you know that you did the right thing. So always stay classy. Today, due to the fact that I stayed 1, calm, 2, I communicated my concern with the Las Vegas boutique, 3, I stayed classy, I now have, yes, my little FedEx. So we are going to open it up and hopefully it is what I expected. Now look at that. Oh, and it's pretty. Okay, so I get the ribbon and I'm going to bring it in so you can see the ribbon. All right, and oh my goodness, look at that. This is the holiday camellia. All right, it's so pretty, it's beautiful. I say it's so pretty, it's beautiful. Look at that. And look, here's the back. So I just wanted to get back on this channel and let you know to always stay calm, communicate, and stay classy. Because without those 3 C's, then you lose it, and you don't want to lose it. Never give the other person the upper hand. Lastly, we're going to say it again. Repeat after me. The 3 C's. 1, stay calm. Don't get upset. Don't get loud. Communicate. Explain exactly, plainly and clearly your explanation or your statement of concern. And 3, stay classy. Don't curse. Don't lose your cool. No cursing. I know sometimes we feel like we might want to curse just to get over with them that you are truly upset, but don't do that. Stay classy. Please subscribe. Hit that like button if you like any of the content, and comment below. Have you ever used the 3 C's? Do you use any type of C's during your day? Let me know. I have nothing on this face. Please let me know if you would like to see a quick 5-minute routine that I run through. Because right now I only have on toner, oil, and some moisturizer. So if you like this look, I have no earrings on. No, I have lip gloss or lip balm. That's it. It's not even lip gloss, it's lip balm. Let me know what you think. Until the next time, Please subscribe, like this video, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.